Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I figured I'd bring you another video today. Lucky you guys. Today I'd also figure I would share, there's another great app out there for my beauty lovers, especially those who have iPhones. It's called SUPERGREAT. You get to make videos of you reviewing beauty products, and every time somebody watches one, you get a coin, and after 10 views, or I know it's after every 10 views you get on one review, you get a coin. And every day you have the opportunity to redeem those coins for like a beauty product or skincare product. I've already redeemed 3 things from it. So I figured I'd share the news about this app, and I'd also share some of my top videos that I've made so far on the app. So yeah, if that's what you want to see, stay tuned. All right, the lipstick I'm going to be talking about today, it's a Powder Puff Lippy by NYX. It's a nice matte color. I have the shade Willpower. It's super easy to use. I think it's a nice, pretty long-lasting color, and I also think it's not super drying on your lips, which is nice because I find a lot of the matte lipsticks are. And with it being winter, we don't want our lips getting super dry, but we want them to look pretty still. So I definitely recommend this. Today I'm going to be doing a demo of the NYX Powder Puff Lippy in the color Crushing Hard. It's a nice orange color. And this is what it looks like on. It's just a nice orange color. I think it's actually pretty neutral. I think it'd also be a great substitute if you don't like wearing red, because it's not as bright as the tube makes it look, and it's easy to apply. I do definitely recommend putting on like some chapstick before it, like a few minutes before, because I do feel like they dry your lips out. But other than that, they're great products. I definitely recommend them. My go-to foundation that I've been using recently is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. It was super easy to find a color that matched my skin tone perfectly. It's actually really easy, a lot easier than I thought. I normally hate shopping for foundations. As you can see, I use a lot of it because I am waiting forever for it to come out. Super easy to apply with your fingers. You could also use a beauty blender too, but I don't, so. And it gives you nice looking skin. Alright, I'm going to be reviewing the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Lipstick in the color Queen Bee. As you can see, it's just like any matte lipstick. It's a nice dry color, but it does kind of dry out your lips. I like it, it's long lasting, and I would definitely recommend this to you guys. Like I said, it's long lasting. I would definitely recommend it for you guys. It's just this nice light natural pink. It's long lasting, and one thing I like about it, even though it looks super drying, it doesn't feel that way, and it's not super flaky either, so that's nice. So if you're looking for a nice matte lipstick, I would definitely get this. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Sweet Chef Ginger and Vitamin C Serum Shot. This is used for brightening dark spots and uneven skin tone. I love it. It smells great. It goes on the skin perfectly. It doesn't feel too heavy, and it does seem to work. I mean, I don't have a lot of dark spots, but I've been doing a lot of research online about vitamin C serum, and it is supposed to help with like age-defying stuff, and I definitely think it does help. So you just use a little eyedropper here, a little on your hands, and put it on your face. It smells good and it feels good and makes skin feel good, so I definitely recommend it. Hey guys, so I just want to say thanks for taking the time to watch this video again. I will have all the information linked for this app down below. and you guys should check it out if you're into makeup. It's a great opportunity to get free stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon.